Good afternoon, everybody. It's NCP with an update on the ham antenna. Finally got it up. Haven't plugged it in yet, but I got it up. So basically, I'm gonna put some more weight on here, and then put some guide loops on there to hold it right, so it doesn't rub. But basically, this is it. It goes up to a pole with a pulley on it, which I don't know if you could see that pulley or not. Let me back up over here. Got a pulley up there. I just welded it on and put some paint for corrosion because I scraped the zinc off it. That is a pull for a chain link fence. Oops, there we go. And that's just a wall pulley. And I put a 2.5 pounds on here. Probably need 5. We'll go ahead and update it. So we got up here. Goes up. Goes over. Goes over. There's that light. That's the power cable. Yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. It'll be fine. It's fine. Just to the nylon cord to the G5RV wire. It does go under this other power line, which you can't really see, but it's about 5 feet under it. And you know, the insulator there is where it actually goes. If I can find it in camera here. Hold on. I don't know where things at. Hold on. I'll have to edit this or something. I ain't gonna edit it. Heck with it. I'll edit it. There it is. So it's way under the actual power line above it. Like I said, if it snaps, it won't go up there anyway. So got it going over here. Goes up to this big tree over here. The big one in the middle. Get up here. Alright. So, got it going way up there, which you can't see. Maybe you can. And I wrapped the cord around, coming down on the ladder line to hold it near the tree there. That's what I did for that. And the ladder line is, I don't know, I'll do some math. I don't remember how much it was, but, you know, it's about probably 10 feet off the ground. We'll have to find out. And then I went over here and I put some eye hooks in here for the cord. And I sprayed it with a pruning seal to prevent infection in the tree, which I don't think it's a problem either way, but still. And I'll put some more over there and run it to the house. Some wire for the Coax, the LM400. And then I ran over here. Let me pause this and get the other one. Hold on. Alright, here's the other one over here. Just attached to the fence. These are some poles I found in my basement. I think they're push-up poles or something, I'm not really sure. But it goes up, there's some tension on here. And this will allow for wind or whatever. And like I said, I'll put some more weight on there. But it goes up to the pulley on this side. It's a better view of it. And then goes across there and all the way over. Hits that tree limb right there. I might need to deal with that. But I'll tension it, but that's where we stand right now. We should be on the air tonight. I'm hoping. Yeah, it's pretty good. I haven't got the other antenna up yet. It's still sitting over there. But that's an update for you. So I'm hoping we're going to be online soon. And I think I'm going to set up a packet radio station. We'll see. Oh, another thing is, I started a Morse code class. Let me rephrase that. I'm attending a Morse code class. I started taking it. The local ham club here teaches it. And we're kind of doing a little bit of sleep learning. We're letting the lessons run on my phone over while we're sleeping. So you don't really learn in your sleep, so they say, I don't know, but you do practice in your sleep. So we could hear the code all night and it'll ingrain what we've already learned, you know. So I don't know, that's just what's up. Like I said, I hope to have this thing completely done tomorrow. Like I said, I don't know where I'm gonna have the string. I'm gonna string a line from the tree to the house and run the coax on that. Or I may bury it, I don't know. I'll get a pressure washer and dig a trench with that, but I'm not sure where I'm gonna run the run the coax in. I'd like to run it down here. Just punch a hole in that flashing there and run it through there. I don't want to punch a hole in the house. I got another hole in the house where a pipe was, for a vent, but it's sealed up, but I can unplug that. But I'm going to use that for the fume extractor for my workbench down there. I'm building electronics circuits. I ordered like all kinds of stuff I don't need. It's hard to ship things here because, like I said, this address doesn't exist, which makes it really hard. You know, if you know my address, you can't Google it. It shows the wrong spot. It's just weird. I don't know. I have a lot of trouble, and not everything I can send to the PO box down there in whatever city that's in, I forget. But you can't go down there either all the time. So I don't know. I'm babbling, and I'm very, very cold. This is NCP. Hope to be on the air tonight and get some. Well, I'm gonna listen code. I ain't gonna do any, but hope to get that, the packet radio, and get the packet network up. All right, have a good one, everybody. NCP out.